Alright, today we're replacing that piece of shit with a used piece of shit to get this whole thing running again. So we're just going to replace this power steering pump. Hopefully this goes easy. I don't know, I only got a couple hours of daylight left. And I really don't want to do this right now, but I mean, we'll figure it out. We're going to need a 14mm. That's pretty much it. 14mm for now. I got to figure out what fucking size that big ass bolt is, and then I'll get back to you on that when I get to that point. And I gotta figure out how to take the lines off and all that. So, I guess I should have mentioned this. On your pump, you're gonna have to be able to twist it to get to the bolt that's right here. That's a 14mm, and that whole bolt holds in the whole pump. But first, you're gonna want to loosen all the other ones. Lower your pump down and take off your belt. The only reason I did this is because I didn't think I could get to it. Alright, so now that you got your shit in, again, fill it up with fluid, turn it on, bleed it, because that fluid's fucked if you blew your shit. And then you're basically fucking done. So keep your shit good, watch your fluid, and use ATF, don't use fucking oil or whatever the fuck, dude, you're an idiot.